today's project, I'm going to show you how I program this door. So I programmed this door in such a way that whenever you press any button on this remote, the door is never going to open. But when you press the forward button, it's going to open, and when you press the back button, it's also going to close. So this is the step I take to achieve this. The first thing I did is to connect my IR receiver to my circuit. So I try to read my IR receiver with this remote control. So each of the button represents a number. So when I press on the button, a number appeared in my serial monitor. So what I did is that as I needed the forward button and the backward button, so I copied the number in the forward button and the backward button on my serial monitor. So when I copied it, I placed it in my code and I uploaded it in my board. So by so doing, I was able to achieve this. So let me show you how the door works. So here is the on button. Is on now. The system is on. So the remote, here is the forward button. When you press on it, the door opens. And the backward button, when you press on it, the door closes. But when you press on any of these remotes, any of the button is never going to open. Look at it. It's not going to open. Except you press on the forward button, that is when it will open. And when you press on the backward button, that is when it will close. And at the back here, I have my servo motor, which is controlling the door. You can see. So when you press the back button, this is what happens. Thank you for watching. Please do well and subscribe to my channel. Just hit the like button and see you in my next video.